Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to hide Facebook friend list on mobile. So click on the three lines on the top right corner and let us check the public view. You can see there is 2 friends, and let's see how to hide those friend list from the public and our friends itself. So click on the settings and go to the privacy settings, and under the how people find and contact you, you can see who can see your friend list. Click on that and change it to only me if you don't want to show anyone. There are a couple of options available. You can make friends accept. If you want to hide from someone, you can hide it, and if you want to show this friend list to only a few friends, you can choose that. And if you don't want to show anyone, you can go with only me option as well. So our requirement is only me, so I click on only me, and let's go back and test if it's working or not. So let's open the public view again. Okay, now you can see that under the friends it doesn't display anything because the friend list is already hidden. So this is how you can hide your friend list on mobile. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.